Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World, friends. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you can understand in a better way. Apart from if you see 18 video, 24 video, 86, you maybe get confused. So if you do not come sequence wise, friends, okay. So and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. You can do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, okay. And if you have even any doubt, you can also connect me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. So in our last video, I've covered the topic called "You have said that all Earth soul meet their loved ones from the spirit world when they are asleep. How exactly does this happen?" Okay. So this one, and in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called "Does a person's subconscious mind knows when he or she is going to die?" So this I'm going to cover. Okay. So let's start, friends. Okay. This is the 122nd 122 number video and the topic is, does a person's subconscious mind knows when he or she is going to die? Let's see what's being said. Yes, your subconscious mind knows all your three due dates. However, you could die before your time. That is before your due date. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that our subconscious mind knows all the three due dates, right? And even there is quite possibility that we could die before our time. And my friend, those who are doesn't seen my last video or previous video, I will tell you every soul have a three due date. First, second, and third is a full and final due date. And here Vipsi and Ratu is telling there is quite possibility before the third due date also we can die. Like in case of an accident, murder, etc. So there are some possibilities like accident, murder. So these are the possibilities where we can die, friends. However, there is another spiritual law made for your own protection. Good soul from realm 7 or 6 do not want to go to hell. So God made a law that the soul who have born on realm 7 will be taken away from earth and will not be able to fall further than realm 5. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that those soul are enlightened, those who are in realm 7 or realm 6, those spiritual soul who are spiritually enlightened, those who doesn't want to go to the hell. So God have made the some certain laws for their protection. For example, if a soul is from realm 7 or realm 6, so that soul won't be fall below realm 5, right? Likewise, if you are born in realm 6, you would not be allowed to fall from realm 4. So if we are born in realm 6, so we would not be allowed to fall beyond realm 4. But if you continue to sin, your subconscious mind seek permission to go back to the spirit world. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that even if we continue to do sin and crime in our life, then our subconscious mind asks for the permission to go back to the spirit world, friends. Okay. However, those on realm 5 and lower have no such protection. So here, those who are on realm 5 or lower, they have no such protection, right? As of soul who are born in realm 6 or realm 7. And friends, those who doesn't know what is realm, I will tell you. Those who are seeing this video for the first time, because I have covered this topic on many video. Realm is basically there are 7 realms in the spirit world, and every realm have total 10 stages, right? So realm 1, 2, 3 is considered to be the hell. Realm 4 is considered to be neither hell neither heaven, and realm 5, 6, 7 is considered to be the heaven, friends. Okay. So if they continue to sin, the subconscious mind simply shuts down. They can fall to the lowest realm 1. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that if we again continue to do crime or do try to do sin, our subconscious mind shut down and it is quite possible that we can fall to realm 1 also. This is why we say that life on earth is a risk, but it is a risk that soul take in order to progress spiritually. So we often say in the spirit world that Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that life on earth is a very big risk. But still the soul take this risk to progress spiritually in their spiritual life and in their spiritual journey, friends. Okay. If the subconscious mind shut down, the person dies. He or she may choose to remain on astral form. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari, if a soul dies and a person dies and he don't want to go to spirit world, so he or she may choose to be in astral form. Not only will they not want to go to the realm, but they will also not want to leave the earth. So even they do not, if they do not want to go to the realm, and even if they do not want to leave the earth, even they have that way also that they can live in this earth also, being an astral being. The lower you fall spiritually, the less you want to leave earth. So here, how much spiritually you low will fall, that much we do not want to leave this earth, friends. Okay. Evil souls stick to their physical body like leeches. So here, fantastic statement Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari that all the negative souls stick to the physical body like leeches. This soul know where they will land when they die and are afraid to leave their physical world. So this negative soul knows that as whatever sin they are committed in their life, so where they are going to land once they leave this body, so they do not want to leave their body and they stick like leeches into their physical body. So they choose to remain in the astral world. In some cases, when human beings die, they are not aware of the fact they are dead. So this much they live in body consciousness. Many a time when human being also dies, they live in astral form and they are not ready to accept that they are dead. They think that they are alive. The person is not a spirit being, yet he is in astral form. So if a person is not in a spirit being, still he is in a astral form. So friends, today's this topic came to an end. So in our today's video, I have covered the topic called, does a person's subconscious mind know when he or she is going to die? So this topic. In our next video, I'm going to cover the topic called, do only negative soul go to the astral form? So this topic I'm going to cover. So friends, this topic came to an end. As I always say, this book is just long and I cannot cover this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, or you can directly connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So friends, this brings to ends of today's video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, stay happy, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Okay, bye bye friends.